Hi, St. Pius. It's Mrs. Timothy. We are on our last three art activities for the year until summer vacation. So we are going to end our art activities with a splash. So this week's theme is ocean. And we are going to do a project today for our littles, I would say kindergarten through third or fourth grade. And we're going to make a jellyfish in the ocean. All right, we're going to make a jellyfish out of tissue paper. So I have my handy dandy helper Brenna here to help me do this. There she is. And what we want to start with is a blue piece of paper. So you have a blue construction paper. Thank you. Get a piece of that. Or you could paint paper blue, or like I did, I used crayon to color in my blue paper. I use several different colors of blue, different kinds of blue, and I even use green in there because ocean water can be kind of murky, and also many colored. So that is my ocean water blue piece of paper, which we're holding vertically or portrait wise. Okay, and then we have our tissues. If you have a tissue, Brandon, pick that up. You want to, and it's a 2-ply tissue. In other words, if you can pull your tissue apart into 2 pieces, do that. You want to use the thin pieces because jellyfish are very see-through. You could also try using tissue paper like for wrapping birthday presents, okay? Because that is also kind of see-through. So what we want to start with is making the body of the jellyfish, which looks like a half circle for the most part. So I want you to take that tissue, or if you're using your tissue paper, I want you to draw a big half circle first.
It keeps dripping.
Don't press so hard.
I'm not.
You want me to do it?
Yes.
Okay, Brenna, hold that. If you're drawing on the tissue, you have to be gentle because tissue rips easy. So you want to put a big half circle, like on half, like the up one half of your tissue paper or your tissue. And then the bottom of a jellyfish is usually pretty wiggly, right? So you're going to draw that, a half circle with a wiggly bottom line. And then we're going to cut it out. Do you want to cut it out?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're going to cut it out. Cutting out tissue paper or tissue is not very easy because it's floppy. But you just take your time. Or get help, like I'm helping Brenna by holding the tissue a little bit taut so that it doesn't get all bendy on her so much. Okay. There you go. And now the bottom piece. Why don't you cut that first? Very good. All right. And there's a little tiny piece right there. You got it? All right. Now we have our jellyfish. Take that little tiny piece off there. And we're going to hold that up against our dark blue ocean. You can see that it's kind of see-through. And that's the top for a jellyfish. Now, if you take the other half of your tissue, or maybe fold your other tissue, if you have a 2-ply tissue that you had pulled apart, you want to fold that in half. All right. And then what we want to do is put slices in it from the bottom almost to the top. You don't want to cut all the way through. These are going to be the tendrils. Okay, go ahead. And jellyfish have lots of tendrils. If they tear, that's okay because jellyfish tendrils are all different lengths too, right? Open up the scissors a little, yep. Okay, do another one. Telling you, the tissues, they're not easy. The tissue paper would be easier, but we're going to demonstrate with the tissue here. That's okay. Keep going a little further up there. Stop. Do one more. Just split that in half and cut it. What? This is a mess.
It's the tissue.
I know. Open it. Yeah, I have to open up the scissors. There, let's see that. You got it. Okay, stop.
No.
So now you have these tendrils that are connected at the top, which makes them much easier. Here, Brenna, do you do this? No, you do this part. So now you want to glue them onto your paper. Glue the tendrils first. And just glue the top of the tendrils down. And you have 2 layers. You might want to lift that. And oh, it went. Well, yeah, do that. And they're all different kinds of jellyfish. Some jellyfish's tendrils, they look like spaghetti noodles. Some tendrils look fuzzy like this, like they're curly and kind of lacy even. And then you want to put the top of the jellyfish on, over the top of the tendrils. And there is your jellyfish in the ocean. Oh, I like it. You know, you could draw on it. You could add a face to it if you wanted to. You could make it different colors. Like I said, we use tissue. If you use the wrapping paper, you can make different colors. Even some of the tissue paper has polka dots and designs on it. That would make a fun jellyfish to have a different pattern on it. Oh, Brenna's drawing fish in the ocean. That's adorable. All right, St. Pius. Have fun. It's finally nice and warm outside, like summer should be. And I will see you tomorrow. All right. Love you guys.